Welcome to Python Programming Language video tutorials by Shine India Pvt Limited. I am your Posubabu Sir, technical, quant, logical reasoning trainer. In this presentation, I would like to discuss list concatenation and list replication. So without wasting our time, let us start and discuss the concatenation first. Now, let us discuss list concatenation. So, how do you represent this list concatenation, right? So, we are going to use an operator called addition. So, addition operator we are going to use in order to concatenate the list. Now, to make you to understand in a better way, let me take two lists. Let me take one list. So variable name I'm taking here A. So and let us take certain elements over here 10, 11, 12. Right. So I'm going to take one more list. So here I'm going to take 13. So and let us take one string hi and one more string I'm going to take Python. So these are the two lists I have taken. Now, when you are using this addition operator over here, so A plus B, right? Now, the result will be what? So the result will be a new list will be generated. A new list will be generated. So when you apply this concatenation among A and B. So A and B here operands, right? So A and B here, A is a one list and B is another list. So when you are concatenating over here, the result will be what, right? So a new list will be generated. So in what way the new list will be generated? So in the new list, so first you may see the elements which are there in A, 10, 11, 12. And then the elements which are there in B will be joined over here. So which means 13, hi, and Python. So this could be the output you may get it, right? So you will be getting here in single quote. So let me erase it. The output, so for the strings, always the single quote, right? Right. So I hope the idea of concatenation is clear. So which means what it will do, it will generate a new list. New list will be generated. New list will be generated over here. And you may not see any changes in A and list B, right? So these will be remains the same. These will be remains the same. So I hope everybody understood what is list concatenation. So let me go and open my IDE and execute the same thing, right? So let us take, so A is equal to one list. So take it as 10 comma 11 comma 12. So, and let us take B. So in B, you could take different elements. I'm going to take here 13. So hi, and one more element I'm going to take some Python, right? So now let us execute it A plus B. So now if I have executed, so the elements have been joined, which are there in B, right? So the elements which are there in B will be joined over here, right? So first you will be getting the elements which are there in A because left operand is A. So list A. So elements will be joined to A, right? Now this will be what a new list. This is what a new list. A new list will be generated, right? So let me print A plus B, right? Now let me print A. So you may not find any change in the A, right? So A remains the same. Is there any change you could identify in list B? No. So it also remains the same, right? Now let me add one more element over here, one float value. So 9.8. Now you could see, right? So here, no change in A, no change in B, right? So when you are concatenating the lists over here, so a new list will be generated. So this is what the new list, right? Original list remains the same. So I hope everybody understood this concatenation, right? So here you may understand one more thing, that is, so the same thing will happen even in extend method as well. So we will discuss that extend method and you could identify the difference between extend method and this method in my coming classes, right? Now, let's go back and discuss. So, list replication, right? List replication. So, let me take list replication. So, what operator we are going to use for replication? So, replication means, let me write it here. So, which means a repetition. A replication means what? A repetition. So do remember this point. So replication means a repetition. So what is the operator? So we are going to use for this list replication. So that is what a multiplication operator. So we are going to use multiplication operator. So I hope you could understand, right? Now let me take one example. Suppose so A is equal to, let us take 1, 2, 3, right? So now, if I have applied this replication operator, right? So repetition operator, so A into 3, which means so these elements will be repeated for how many times? 3 times. So these will be repeated for 3 times. So what could be the output you will be getting here? So you will be getting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So this is what the output you will be getting for this expression, right? So replication means what? Repetition, right? So how many number of times the number we are giving over here? So this should be integer. This should be integer value only, right? Suppose if you are taking any float value over here instead of integer, if you are taking any float value over here, you will be getting what? Error. So you are not supposed to take so float value over here, right? So you should take integer value only. So now can I take so a into a? So in this case also it leads to what? Error. It leads to what? Error. Now let me open my IDE and execute the same thing so that you could understand. So let us take so example over here. So A is one of the list which is having 3 elements. So you may take multiple elements here. So I'm going to take one float value inside this list as one of the element. So I'm going to take one string also here. So Python, right? Now let me write here. So print of so A into 3. So which means so these elements will be repeated how many number of times? 3 times. Now you could see, so these elements will be repeated for 3 times, right? Now let me reduce the number of elements over here so that it could be properly visible, right? Now you could see, so 12, 9.8 Python. So 12, 9.8 Python, 12, 9.8 Python. So here it replicated for 3 times, right? So we are using an integer value over here, right? So can I use any float value over here, right? So let me write a into some 3.5, 3.5, right? Now let me execute it. Now you could see here you will be getting error. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float, right? So you are not supposed to multiply with what, right? So float values, right? So I hope the idea is clear. Now, can I write it as print of A into A, which means list A has been multiplied with A. So A times, right? Now you could see you will be getting again error. Understood, right? Let me remove this and then execute it, right? So can't multiply sequence by non-int of type list, right? So I hope you could understand what I have conveyed so far, right? So here we discussed in this presentation what? So we discussed about list concatenation. So for list concatenation, so we are going to use a plus or addition operator, right? So in this case, a new list will be generated. New list will be generated, and there will be no change in the original list. So I hope the idea of list concatenation is clear to everybody. So whereas for list replication, replication means what? A repetition. So it is what? Repetition. And what operator we are going to use here? Multiplication operator in order to replicate the list. Right. So here, suppose A equal to 1 list I have taken, and then so A into 3, which means what? So the elements which are there in A will be repeated for 3 times. So instead of this 3, you are not supposed to take any float value, right? So here you should take only integer value. Do remember this. Otherwise, you will be getting what? Errors, right? So I hope everybody understood regarding list concatenation and a list replication. In my coming tutorials, we will be discussing a few methods from list. If it is clear, understood my videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.